Welcome to my healthy thali. Today I am going to share with you a recipe inspired from Chhattisgarhi Fara, which are oblong shaped rice dumplings served with tomato and coriander chutney, either as a breakfast or as a snack. Even though it is a simple yet delicious dish to savor in itself, I am about to show you how you can make it in much more healthier way without compromising on your taste palette. Before getting into the recipe, hit the red subscribe button and the little bell icon to stay updated with more such healthified versions of Indian delicacies. So let's get started with the preparation. Take about 1/4 cup of brown rice and wash it thoroughly for about 2 to 3 times till the water coming out becomes clear. Now pour in about 1.5 to 2 cups of water into the washed brown rice and put the pot over medium-low flame and cook the rice covered for about 20 to 25 minutes or till it cooks perfectly. After cooking the rice, drain the excess of water, and here we have our first component ready. Now take a small head of cauliflower. Remove all the brown spots over the cauliflower, if any, with knife by cutting them out or by scratching like so. Cut out the cauliflower florets. Even after cutting them into small florets, there might still be some insects present, which you need to remove. For that, pour some boiling water into a bowl and add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To this, drop in the cauliflower florets and keep them covered for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, separate the cauliflower florets from the water and pour in some more water so that we can boil them. Over a medium-low flame, boil the cauliflower covered for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or till they have become fork tender. Take 2 tomatoes and make such cross cuts in the bottom. Now roast the tomatoes over a medium-high flame till the peel gets charred. Make sure to keep rotating the tomatoes at regular intervals for an even roasting. Place the roasted tomatoes in cold water to stop the cooking process and to make the peeling out process easier. Peel the charred skin out of the tomatoes and remove the top part with knife like so. Cut the tomatoes in 4 and make puree out of them. Take a bunch of coriander leaves and remove the stem and the roots. Roughly chop the coriander leaves. No need to chop them finely, as we will make a paste out of them later on. Take half cup of chopped coriander leaves. To that, add some green chilies. I am adding 2 here, but you may add as per your liking. Add little bit of water and make a paste out of it. Now take 3 garlic cloves. Peel and chop them up. We will need this for the sauce later on. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of cooked brown rice and 1/4 cup of boiled cauliflower. Mash them together with a fork. You may also use a hand for mashing them up finely. Take 4 tablespoons of rice flour. Add it in batches to the mashed mixture and mix it thoroughly till it gets a dough-like consistency. Also add a little bit of salt to the mixture before kneading them into a dough. The dough might be a little sticky, but do not add excess of rice flour, as the dough might start to break during making the faras. Brush little oil over the bottom of a steamer mesh. Here I am using some rice bran oil, but you may use any other oil that you have. Brush some oil over the back of a fork too, and also apply some over your palms and fingers. Now take a dollop of dough and roll it out into a small ball. Press the dough ball over the back of the fork and roll it upwards like so from one side. This shape is basically inspired from a type of pasta known as gnocchi, but you may simply roll the dough into an oblong shape if you don't want anything fancy. So here we have all our gnocchi shaped faras ready to be steamed. Over a boiling pot, put the steamer mesh and cover it with a lid. Let the faras steam for about 10 to 13 minutes over medium flame. This is how our steamed faras will look when they are finally ready. The crevices in the faras will help in retaining all the sauce into which we will toss them later. Now in a pan, toast about 1½ teaspoons of sesame seeds over medium-low flame till the seeds brown a little and start to splutter. Now onto a pan, add about 1 teaspoon of oil. I have used olive oil here, but you may use any other cooking oil of your choice. Add the chopped garlic and saute them till they start turning golden. Now add the tomato puree and cook that for about 6 to 8 minutes over medium flame or till it reduces to half. Add salt to taste and a little pinch of sugar to balance out the flavors. Now add the coriander and green chili paste and cook for 5 to 7 minutes over medium-high flame. Now add in the steamed faras into the sauce and mix them till all the faras get coated with the sauce. Finally, add in the toasted sesame seeds and give a final stir. And then we have our healthy and slightly gourmet version of Chhattisgarhi Fara ready to be plated and served. This recipe will serve 2 people and will have about 225 calories per serving, which is almost 100 calories lesser than the traditional recipe using about same quantity of ingredients. Isn't that great? If you want to know more about Chhattisgarhi Fara or want a printable version of today's recipe, visit the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and share this with other healthy foodies you may know of. Comment below the dish you would like to see with a twist next time. See you next week. Bye bye.